Hey guys, it's Vince over at Ceramic Pro Killeen, and so today we're going to be working on a 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor. And so we're going to be doing a couple different services. We're going to be knocking out a partial paint protection film package. We're going to be knocking out our lifetime Ceramic Pro Gold package, and then we're going to be knocking out some window tint, and we're going to be tinting the front windshield as well. So stay tuned. We're about to make a banger. Alrighty guys, so what you guys saw us do today, you guys saw a little bit of the paint correction process. You guys got to see me shrink on the front window and install the front windshield tint as well. You guys got to see us do something different on ceramic coating. We always show you guys ceramic coating on the body panels. Today we decided to do it on the plastic trim pieces just to let you know another aspect of ceramic coating that we cover as well. So you guys got to see a couple different pieces, and you guys got to see me do some PPF on the front bumper area. So you guys got to see a full process and full project on this Raptor. Tell us what you think in the comments.